Today I want to talk about a productivity technique that I developed, and it probably has different names in different books, but in my case I called this one the tip of the iceberg. It does work with tools like Asana, it does work with any work management tool that you have, and it does work in your life in general. The idea is to say that if you have something that needs to get done, like a big project like the iceberg, you really want to be looking at only the tip of the iceberg. Once you've defined what the iceberg is as a whole, then you can just look at the tip, which means what's the next step? What do you have to do to move forward? I have an example with this. When you have to write a book, let's say you want to write a book, you want to write 30 different chapters. If you look at the book as being 30 chapters, that might be very intimidating. And in my case, I had something in Asana with 30 different tasks, but you only assign yourself on one task. The next step is to see one task, do that task, and then you have the next task to do. So really, what's going to be the next step? When something looks way too big, try to divide it into small pieces and only have the next one under your nose. You can keep it under your nose to be reminded what you have to do, but there's no benefit of seeing everything except being discouraged, basically. So that's my take. That's what I call the tip of the iceberg, and that could be applied to different areas of your life, including work and project management solutions.